Introducing the 2022 Ford Puma Titanium, packed with top-of-the-line features like satellite navigation, ambient lighting, and collision avoidance braking. This stylish MPV is not only comfortable, but ensures your safety with multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and emergency call. With a sleek grey exterior and a powerful 1.0 litre engine, this car is guaranteed to turn heads on the road. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with comprehensive warranties. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.